everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about a great Indian writer in English, Mulk Raj Anand. So Mulk Raj Anand is a prominent Indian author of novels, short stories and critical essays in English, who is known for his realistic and sympathetic portrayal of the poor in India. His first novel, Untouchable, exposed the dark side of India's untouchable caste system, which gave him the reputation of India's Charles Dickens. So in this video, at first we will discuss the detailed biography of Mulk Raj Anand, then we will look at the important facts about some of his important work. So let's start the video. Mulk Raj Anand was born on 12th December 1905 in a Hindu Kshatriya family in Peshawar, which is now in Pakistan, but in 1905 or at that time, it was the northwest frontier province of India. His father Lal Chand was a coppersmith who later worked as a regimental head clerk in Dogra regiment of the British Indian Army, and his mother's name was Ishwar Kaur. In 1921, Mulk Raj Anand joined Khalsa College, Amritsar, and in the same year he was imprisoned for his participation in the civil disobedience movement. In 1924, he obtained the degree of BA Honours from the Punjab University, and in 1925 he moved to England for higher studies and research in philosophy. In 1929, under the guidance of Professor Grace Hicks, he completed his PhD in philosophy from Cambridge University. Then he returned to India in 1932 and he lived in Sabarmati Ashram with Mahatma Gandhi. In 1938, he married English actress and activist Kathleen Van Gelder, and they had a daughter named Sushila. Then they get divorced in 1948, and in 1950 he married again with Shirin Wajifdar. During World War II, Mulk Raj Anand worked as a script writer and broadcaster in the film division of BBC London. In 1952, he was awarded the International Peace Prize of the World Peace Council for promoting peace among the nations through his literary works. And in 1967, he was awarded Padma Bhushan. In 1971, he got Sahitya Academy Award for his novel Morning Face. And apart from this, he was founder editor of the literary magazine Marg. He had also served as a chairman of Lalit Kala Academy and the secretary of Progressive Writers Association. Now let's know how his literary career was launched. Actually, there were two major influences, or we can say incidents, which motivated him to write. So his literary career was launched by a family tragedy arising from the rigidity of India's caste system. His first prose essay was a response to the suicide of an aunt excommunicated by her family for sharing a meal with a Muslim woman. Second influence on him was of Irene. Irene was the daughter of a professor of biology whom he met in London at the University of Wales. They fell in love at first sight, and on the Irene's influence, he began his career as a novelist. In England, Mulk Raj Anand interacted with the Bloomsbury intellectuals and other literary lights of the time like E.M. Forster, Henry Miller, T.S. Eliot, Virginia Woolf and Herbert Read. Then he became associated with T.S. Eliot's literary periodical, The Criterion. And apart from this, he projected 7-volume autobiographical novel which is called as Seven Ages of Man, as Shakespeare described in As You Like It. He died of pneumonia on 28 September 2004 in Pune at the age of 99. Now let's discuss important facts about his works. So first fact is related to his first novel, that is Untouchable, which was published in 1935. Do you know this book was rejected by 19 British publishers? It's really shocking that this classic novel was rejected by 19 publishers. Then by the efforts of E.M. Forster, the novel Untouchable got published in 1935, and E.M. Forster is a renowned English novelist, and he also wrote the preface of Untouchable. Second fact is related to his novel Across the Black Waters. Yes, it's the only Indian English novel that is set in World War I, and this book Across the Black Waters is part of his trilogy along with The Sword and the Sickle and The Village. Third fact is related to his novel The Sword and the Sickle. Yes, the title of this novel is given by famous English author George Orwell. And fourth fact is related to his novel The Old Man and the Cow. It is the first novel of Mulk Raj Anand which is only the heroine centered novel. Here Gauri is the protagonist of this novel, and another noteworthy thing about this novel is that in this novel the cow transformed into tigress. Yes, it's the most noteworthy thing that the cow transformed into tigress in this novel. Now let's look at the important works of Mulk Raj Anand. So here is the list of important novels of Mulk Raj Anand. Important novels are Untouchable, published in 1935, Coolie, published in 1936. I have already made a detailed video on this novel, so just check out the playlist on my channel Indian English Literature. Third, Two Leaves and a Bird, published in 1937, The Village 1939, Across the Black Waters 1939, The Sword and the Sickle 1942, The Big Heart 1945, Seven Summers 1951, The Private Life of an Indian Prince 1953, The Old Woman and the Cow 1960, and The Road 1961. Short story collections are The Lost Child and Other Stories 1934, The Barbers' Trade Union and Other Stories 1944, The Tractor and the Corn Goddess and Other Stories 1947, Reflections on the Golden Bed and Other Stories 1953, The Power of Darkness and Other Stories 1959, Lajwanti and Other Stories 1966, Between Tears and Laughter 1973, Indian Fairy Tales 1946, More Indian Fairy Tales 1961, and it is the last story collection of Mulk Raj Anand. His autobiographies are Seven Summers 1951, Morning Face 1971, Conversations in Bloomsbury 1981, and Pilpali Sahab 1985. So this is all about Mulk Raj Anand, and if you liked this video, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video.